everybody, my name's Zayden from Reap What You Sow Gardening, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing in digging sweet potatoes. So this is my first time ever filming digging potatoes, but in this video, I'm going to get the shovel and let's dig some taters. Sweet potato. And the water collection system works the best. I cleaned the inside of the shed because it was all dirty and dusty. But today, we're going to be digging some taters. Wow. Oh, wait a minute. Brain fart. What if I use my gloves? Oh, wow! Right here. I was about to say, where would I put those gloves? Where put those gloves? Yeah. And I know I was bragging all about, oh, it's so cold in Greensboro. It ain't that cold now. Right here are the sweet potatoes I'm gonna dig. So, I guess I'll set you guys up on like a thing. I don't know. What do I set you guys? Oh, maybe this. Maybe this is tall enough. Or I'll have to set it on bricks or something. I don't know. But set this over here. And I put the phone. Wait, no, that's not gonna work. Ooh, maybe I could. You guys over here against the stone. Alright, guys, you can see me. Right here are the vines. Now, it's been 190 days. So we're gonna dig these out. But first, I'm gonna get the wagon to put the soil in so I can do this easier. I got the wagon, and what I'm gonna do is get the soil into the wagon so we don't waste a bit. And oh, here's a little slip. See what we got. Excuse me. Now we can always get sweet potatoes anytime in the beginning of the year. And then we'll just grow them. Get some slips and then grow them. But, I mean, that's what we do here. I know that Deep South Homestead, they do it in the ground, and I think in the high tunnels, and sometimes containers. But here at Reap What You Sow Gardening, we do it in containers. We don't really do it in the ground. I'm not against or for containers. I just don't do them in the ground. Oh. Look at that, I found a sweet potato. I mean, they are small, but technically you can eat them like that. So, we're gonna get this vine out. A good crop to grow. Well, I mean, it's been 190 days. Just the beginning. So hopefully these are done producing and we get a good harvest here. Is this a potato or what? I don't know. We're gonna move some soil, some acorns. Here, there's some clay soil that I put in this bed when I first started this bed. And, you know, suppose we're gonna dig a little bit deeper down, and hopefully, oh, we're in the bottom of the weeds now, and it's still in there. Like, what is this? When I said they grew well, I didn't. They grew too well. I mean, they are not giant potatoes that I like, but they're still something. I suppose this is a potato, but a little bit disappointing. I think that's a sweet potato, but we'll still put them in here. Some more soil. Ditch those here now. I guess that's a sweet potato. I don't know. I don't know. I think that's a root. But I guess we'll put the potatoes back into the bed, and then like plant things back in here, because these things seen hell and back. They seen hell and back, so I guess I'm just gonna replant them and like not worry about it. Give them a little more time to grow. But this is just weird. Well, I was not expecting a giant. It's not a big potato. It's just a long. If it's even a potato, not just a regular root. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Because there's like another one here. But I also have like, there's like 2 of these. If they are potatoes and they did grow, then, well, they grew, let's just say that. But next year, I'll get a real harvest. But this is the only potato that I got out of the harvest. Now, it looks weird, but this kind of looks like the other potato that's in here. Let's see it. Big old thing. Oh. But you'll plant it in the ground, cover it with soil again. I have no idea, but it has a little bit of sugar in it, the white stuff. So I suppose that, you know, it's done growing, but it's a little weird harvest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this weird video. Give it a great, tiny, sweet potato thumbs up. Share this video around, and make sure you subscribe. That helps my channel out a lot. Thanks for watching, and grow, grow, grow.